Hey guys, welcome back to my channel on how to make money online. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can earn some extra cash through paid surveys online. Yes, that's right. Companies are willing to pay you for your opinion on various products and services. So let's dive in and discover some tips on how to make the most out of paid surveys. Tip 1. Find legitimate survey sites. The first step is to find legitimate survey sites. Do your research and make sure the sites you sign up for are reputable and pay on time. To make money through paid surveys online, it's important to find legitimate survey sites. Unfortunately, there are many scams out there that promise to pay for surveys but never actually do. To avoid falling victim to these scams, do your research and only sign up for survey sites that are well-known and reputable. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. You can also read reviews from other users to see their experiences and make an informed decision. Tip 2. Sign up for multiple survey sites. To maximize your earning potential, sign up for multiple survey sites. This will increase the number of surveys you receive and give you more opportunities to earn money. When it comes to paid surveys, different sites offer different surveys, and signing up for multiple sites can help you get more surveys to complete, which means more money. While some survey sites may have a limited number of surveys available, signing up for multiple sites increases the chances of finding surveys that are a good fit for you. Additionally, some survey sites have different payment methods, such as gift cards or cash, so signing up for multiple sites can give you more options for how you want to receive your earnings. Just make sure to keep track of your login information and keep your accounts active to ensure you receive a steady stream of surveys. Tip 3. Fill out your profile completely. Fill out your profile completely and honestly to ensure that you qualify for more surveys. Companies use your profile information to match you with surveys that are relevant to your interests and demographics. When you sign up for a survey site, you will typically be asked to fill out a profile with information such as your age, gender, education, income, and interests. It is important to provide accurate information, as this will help the survey site match you with surveys that are relevant to you. By filling out your profile completely and honestly, you increase your chances of qualifying for more surveys, which means more opportunities to earn money. Some survey sites may also offer profile surveys, which are surveys that ask you more detailed questions about your interests and preferences. Completing these surveys can help the survey site better understand your demographic and send you more targeted surveys, which can lead to higher paying opportunities. So, it's always a good idea to fill out your profile completely and take any additional profile surveys offered by the survey site. Tip 4. Check for survey invitations regularly. Check your email or survey sites for invitations regularly. Some surveys have a limited number of spots, so it's important to respond quickly to increase your chances of qualifying. This tip refers to the importance of checking your email or survey sites regularly to look for survey invitations. Some surveys may have a limited number of participants or a specific target audience, and if you don't respond quickly, you may miss out on the opportunity to participate and earn money. By checking your email or survey sites regularly, you can increase your chances of receiving more invitations to participate in surveys. You can also ensure that you respond to invitations in a timely manner, which can increase your likelihood of qualifying for the survey. It's a good idea to set a routine for checking your email or survey sites so you don't miss any invitations. You can also consider setting up email alerts for new surveys, so you're notified as soon as a new survey becomes available. Tip 5. Be honest and consistent. Be honest and consistent in your responses to survey questions. Companies value genuine feedback, and inconsistent or contradictory answers may disqualify you from future surveys. being honest and consistent is an important tip when it comes to making money through paid surveys online. Companies rely on the data collected from surveys to make important decisions, so it's important to provide truthful and accurate responses. Inconsistent or dishonest responses can lead to disqualification from surveys and may impact your ability to receive future invitations. Tip 6. Complete surveys in a timely manner. Complete surveys in a timely manner to avoid missing out on incentives or being disqualified from the survey. Completing surveys in a timely manner is an important tip to keep in mind when taking paid online surveys. Survey sites often have a deadline for completing a survey or a limited number of spots available, and if you don't respond in time, you may miss out on earning money or qualifying for a survey. Additionally, some surveys may have specific requirements, such as completing the survey within a certain time frame or answering all questions, and failure to meet these requirements may result in disqualification from the survey. To maximize your earning potential, it's important to complete surveys promptly and accurately. Tip 7. Check for bonuses and incentives. Check for bonuses and incentives offered by survey sites, such as referral bonuses or daily polls. These can add up over time and increase your overall earnings. Many survey sites offer bonuses and incentives to their users to encourage them to participate in more surveys. For example, some sites offer referral bonuses where you can earn money by referring friends or family members to join the site. Other sites may offer daily polls or other bonus surveys that pay more than regular surveys. It's important to check for these bonuses and incentives regularly, as they can add up over time and increase your overall earnings. Some sites may also offer sweepstakes or prize giveaways for completing surveys, so it's worth checking for these opportunities as well. Just be sure to read the terms and conditions of any bonuses or incentives carefully to ensure that you meet the requirements to qualify for them. Tip 8. Choose payment options that work for you. Choose payment options that work for you, whether it's through PayPal, gift cards, or other payment methods offered by the survey site. Tip 9. Set a goal for your earnings. Set a goal for your earnings and track your progress. This can motivate you to complete more surveys and reach your target. Tip 10. Don't rely solely on paid surveys for income. Finally, don't rely solely on paid surveys for income. While they can be a great way to earn some extra cash, they are not a replacement for a steady job or other sources of income. That's it for today's video on making money through paid surveys online. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. See you in the next one.